Advanced JavaScript Project by Jasper, fall 2024 through 2025. My idea. This project was inspired by a type of game on Roblox I played called a tycoon. The tycoon was a relaxing yet interesting game to me, and I really liked it via this game. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about how to use and create classes and set intervals, which I used in my project. Number 1, classes. This dropper is added into the game inside a class called dropper. So the class dropper would add this dropper 1. Number 2, set intervals. This countdown uses a set interval of 1,000 milliseconds to count down. This is the visual of it counting down every second. Code example. Code number 1, classes. This is a class of money. This one is about how much money you have. This is a label. This is a visual. For example, this visual. And then it updates the prices every time you buy something or you gain money. Number 2, set interval. Set interval is a way to count up or count down. This one is for the countdown. If game is running, then we can count down by this seconds is minus equal to 1 because this thing is 1,000 milliseconds. And then it's this dot label dot text content equals to this dot seconds, which is the visual as per this slide, the 2 seconds left. And then it's if this dot seconds equals 0. So that means that if the countdown is fully finished, then we say time's up. Game running becomes false, and then this dot label 2, which is high score label, is updated, and then it alerts that the game is over, and we show the money amount, which is a score, and our highest score, and then we reset the game. Demo. We will now show you the demo of this game. So this is the game. We have 30 seconds. We start off with $1,000, and we have a high score. We can start off with buying one of these. I'll start off with buying dropper 5, which is the most expensive. Yeah, it gives us the most income/revenue. Currently, it's giving us around $55 or $57. As the countdown decreases, we'll be getting more money, and we can buy even more of these. And it's even a cooldown install for 5 seconds. Oh, look, the game's over. So we got a score of 594, which is the amount of money we have. This amount of money is we can get more money if we strategize differently or if we play the game differently. And this is our high score of 2,504. That is a score that I used to have gotten, which shows how much harder this game can be.
What's the play rule for this?
The play rule for this is try to see how much money you can get, like the most amount of money you can possibly get in this time frame of 30 seconds. Okay. My favorite part about working on this project was playing this game itself. If you can see in this image right here, I have hundreds of droppers, which I got over a large time span of playing this game, which got me a lot of money per second. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add making it look better, adding better visuals. For example, instead of having these visuals of just being a circle for dropper 1, I could have added a better visual, which would be harder to create, yet it would look fancier and more demure. Adding more functionality, such as more buttons. I could add dropper 5, dropper 6, dropper 7, or even dropper 8 for more like flexibility of how much money and revenue you can get. And adding a leaderboard of all your attempts so you can see how close you are to beating your score, high score. So you could have a second place of being 2,506, and your first place being 2,507, and you can see, oh wow, look at how close I was from beating my high score. Thank you.